This lesson is part of the TI-Nspire CX2 Technology student course. In this lesson we'll learn how to apply operations to matrices. In a calculator application, it is best to define matrices first before using matrices in calculations. Matrix A, press Control Templates. This is one way to define variables. Press Menu, select Matrix and Vector, select Create, select Matrix. We are creating a 2x2 matrix. Press Enter. We can use Tab or arrow keys to move to the next entry field. 3, Tab 5, Tab 2, Tab 4, and press Enter. Evaluate 3A. 3, and when we press A is bold, it's been defined, and press Enter. Let's insert Matrix B, another 2x2 matrix. Matrix B, Control Templates, press Menu, select Matrix and Vector, select Create, select Matrix, press Enter, -6, Tab 1, Tab -3, Tab 7, and press Enter. Just a reminder that all variables that have been defined can be accessed using the var key. Matrix A and Matrix B have been defined. Press Escape. Let's evaluate A multiplied by B. Press Enter. Let's determine the inverse of matrix A. A exponent -1. Press Enter. Let's calculate the determinant of matrix A. Press Menu, select Matrix and Vector, select Determinant, Matrix A, and press Enter. There are other operations and calculations with matrices. Press Menu, select Matrix and Vector. This time use the up arrow key. Select Vector. You can calculate the unit vector, the cross product, dot product, and others. Press Escape. Press Escape. Now we've just pressed the menu keypad. Select Matrix and Vector. Select Create and select Matrix. Now for example, we're going to create a 3x4 matrix, and when creating the matrix we pressed Enter before we change the dimensions. Instead of starting again, or if you're in the process of inserting your elements and you realize you need another row or column, let's pretend that we actually have 2 and we have 7 in our matrix. I'll be where 2 is. Pressing the return key, or carriage return as some people like to call it, it inserts a row after where the cursor is placed. On the calculator, pressing and hold the Shift and then the return key will insert a column after where the cursor is placed. Be sure to check out more of the videos in this series. Thank you for watching.